Hi everyone, this video is to show you how to open the back cover of a Chinese watch. This is a snap-off cover, and why is Chinese watch different from other watches is because the back cover doesn't have any opening here so that you can put the tool to pry it open. To avoid the scratching on the back of the watch, it's better to use a specialized tool. I got this tool on eBay. It's a very non-expensive tool. I'm gonna put the link in the description. So for this operation you should be patient and try not to scratch the watch. Put the tool here, somewhere that you can have a lever. Here you can put it and then push it like this. So what I'm gonna do is put the tool here, and here it is. It's very easy to open. Back cover is open. Now you can change the battery, do some other maintenance if you like, and so on. To close the back cover back, careful for the opening here. You should align it, and then with your hands, it doesn't need too much force. You just like this. So here it is. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.